who pulled up for a catch-up. It's really here from 947 afternoons. And if you're here, it means you've got taste. Go ahead, enjoy the moment you missed. But don't ghost me. Weekdays, 12 to 3 p.m. on 947. I'm loud and way more fun in real time. And yeah, there's more audio magic waiting for you right here on Prime Media Plus. Wake up with a bang.
Hey, wake up!
Anele and the club
On 947.
Somewhere, somehow, somebody in Johannesburg is sleep deprived. And they sleep deprived because of their neighbors.
Why?
It's 6:30 on Sunday morning. My neighbor insists on cutting the grass. Every Sunday at 6:30, he cuts the grass. Surely this isn't allowed?
She sounds angry.
Because here's the thing, as you were listening to that, you were like, oh man, you know, she's being unreasonable. I'm sure it's not that bad. But have a listen. Imagine this at 6:30 in the morning on a Sunday, guys.
Yeah.
And something tells me that it actually isn't allowed. Because I remember the one time.
We can't hear you.
I remember the one time.
What are you saying, love?
The one time.
Huh?
The one time.
You want what?
The one time, my gardener couldn't come on a Saturday because usually this was Langton and he usually comes on a Saturday and he couldn't come on a Saturday, and then I was just like, oh, just come through on Sunday, dude. He must have been 10 minutes into this, and I had two neighbors at my gate. They're like, no. The rules are in this estate: no gardening, no mowing, or nothing, no working, no handyman, no drilling, no nothing on a Sunday. And I didn't know that. Apparently it's a rule. And then I thought maybe it's our estate rule. Apparently it's like a general law.
Like not at all on a Sunday.
It's a law.
It's a law.
Trust me. So I'm on an area group, and if somebody starts up a lawnmower on a Sunday, everyone just phones JMPD because it's disturbing your peace. So apparently on a Sunday between 6 and 6, it is illegal to be using any kind of heavy machinery that disturbs people's peace. Who knew?
A law.
A law.
Like, as in, you can press charges and go. I mean, if you can call the JPMD, those guys.
Yeah. You call JMPD and they come.
No, but so like not even allowed to drill a hole.
Nothing.
I think, you know what? I think within reason. I think if you're just drilling, but it's not for long.
Do not tell humans within reason.
But definitely not a lawnmower. Definitely not a what do you call that thing? Tree felling. Definitely not a leaf blower.
So what happened to the Sunday hobbies? Like Oaks used to like do woodwork on a Sunday. None of that's allowed. You're not allowed to cut anything. You're not allowed to drill.
I didn't know it's a law. Like, dude, we can actually have you arrested for mowing your lawn.
On a Sunday.
Honestly, I didn't know it's you're Sunday, you sure?
I promise, guys, you can check. Who can we phone? I promise you now, people are going to tell you. It's a law. It's also a law if your dogs bark too long.
On a Sunday?
Well, in general.
Amen. 011-8838-947. Two questions. Did you know that it is against the law to mow your lawn on a Sunday? Against the law. And then, now that we're here and getting this off our chest, who's making noise in your neighborhood?
Yeah. Is
Oh,
it on
the
a Sunday?
children.
The children.
So what's the noisy thing in your neighborhood? For you, it's the children, eh?
Because they run, eh? School holidays are a terror if you live in a complex.
Can I tell you, in our estate, because the kids get around on their golf carts, right? For some odd reason, during school holidays, they think it's okay to be rolling around at 11 at night on the golf course in the golf carts, pumping that Travis Scott fellow.
Have they got a Bluetooth speaker?
Bluetooth speakers attached to their little golf carts, and then you just mind your own business, and then fiend.
They're building to his concert.
Dude, it's like there's a memo there in Dainford that every child must play Travis Scott on their golf carts. They're the ones making a noise in my neighborhood.
Wow.
If you guys went to church on a Sunday morning, this is the problem. We stopped going to church. Then it wouldn't, the cutting the lawn wouldn't matter.
You'd be awake anyway.
You wouldn't care who's making noise.
You'd be away. You'd be away in the morning. I could cut my lawn, no problem.
084, you heathens. 084 0000 947. Who's making noise in your neighborhood? This is your chance to complain. And also, like I said, this question is double-fold. Did you know that it's against the law to mow your lawn on a Sunday?
I didn't know that.
Against the law. You could have a criminal record. You can't get a visa with a criminal record, eh? Do you know why? Because you chose to mow your lawn when...
It's 6:30 on Sunday morning. My neighbor insists on cutting the grass. Every Sunday at 6:30, he cuts the grass. Surely this isn't allowed.
Can I just say, because here's the problem. Didn't have time to do it on Saturday. Want to do it on a Sunday. Now you're telling me I'm not allowed to do it on a Sunday. But then who's complaining when my lawn is too long, when the grass looks untidy?
Yeah, but it didn't get long overnight.
In a week? Have you seen what grass can do in a week?
Yes, look at that, 7 days.
Yeah, but I've worked. This is what I'm saying. So now if you miss it, if you happen to, something came up Saturday morning, I had to go to my kids' cricket. No.
Oh, all of these sounds like your problems, eh? These sound like you problems. A communal problem is when you are mowing your lawn. Mowing your lawn.
Lowing your lawn.
Mowing your lawn. Mowing your lawn on a Sunday.
In my neighborhood, they basically got a little mini farm there in the yard, and the roosters are extremely loud, and they don't allow us to sleep from 4 in the morning until I don't know what time. They carry on and carry on.
Guys, it says on the 7th day he rested.
My neighbor, he loves to make noise after 10 at night. You know, those cars with so much big pipe, they will make so much noise.
Yeah, guys, do you know who else is making noise in the neighborhood? Everyone who owns a Harley Davidson. Just put it away. Just put it. Oh.
Going out early on a Sunday morning for a ride to Hearties.
And also, why do you guys have to go fetch each other? Can't you guys just meet on the road and like normal people and give each other hazards and hoots and then off you go? Now all 20 of you are coming to pick up Jared there in our estate. Hi, man. You're not cool. You're boring. You and your earring. GN, good morning.
Good morning, Anela. I can just laugh at you. Well, you know what? I can handle the lawnmower, but this music, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning, doof, doof, ping, ping, that's music. No.
Is that your neighbor at the current moment?
In our street, yes.
But wait, is this not...
Every Saturday, they're partying, and you can call them. You can even put on the street group, please. It's after 12 o'clock. We need to sleep. They carry on.
So wait, Jen, is it a preference thing? Like you don't like their taste in music?
It's not that, everyone's got its taste. You can party, but after 12 o'clock, yeah. And then even you can call the police.
They're busy.
Yeah, they've got real crimes.
Yeah.
They got real crimes.
Okay, here's the thing. Is there a law around standalone houses? Because I know in an estate, you fought sideways. After 10 o'clock, they come and lock you down.
Yeah, there's the same bylaws, so you're not allowed to make noise. Or it's after 10, eh?
I think at 10 you've got to turn it down a little bit, and then at 12 it's got to be off.
So reasonable level from 10.
Yeah.
And then silence from midnight.
Oh, I thought people in standalones can do what they want.
No.
Oh, okay.
How many times have you broken this rule?
No, no. I see what you're trying to get to here because I usually have parties at my dad's house in the standalone. But I invite the neighbors.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're clever.
Now then, if 6 or more neighbors are with you, guys,
Yeah, if you've had brisket earlier in the afternoon, you can't be complaining
you can't
at
be
12.
complaining at 12. And I
Yeah.
will come to your house and I will take my poos out your system. Muhammad, good morning.
Hello, Auntie Anela in the club.
Hello, Muhammad. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks, and you?
We're great. Are you about to snitch on someone making noise in your neighborhood?
Of course. And I live in an estate, so it's kind of hard.
Okay.
So, like early in the morning, she sings at the top of her lungs, la 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 la, throughout the entire day, and it's not even nice, and it's not even like a song.
Oh, so she doesn't have a nice voice.
No, not at all. She's a very scruffy person.
Is this you talking or is it your mom speaking?
Me.
Okay. All right.
And then
so
she wakes you up.
It's not that, but she's such a scruffy person and is always singing and always complaining about children playing.
Oh, my word. Okay.
No, I needed to get behind me on the children.
Are you singing in the mornings?
No, I do blast my music, but never like when I come to work because that's early.
Yeah, but wait, Muhammad, when was the last time she made this noise?
Yesterday.
Ah.
Oh, la la la.
Consistency is key.
And you don't even like the songs that she's singing, hey? Because the songs are also scruffy, like her.
It's not even a song.
It's her own
she's
composition.
This is
She makes her own rhymes and stuff, but it's just la 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 the entire day.
And have you guys tried approaching and be like, ma'am, please, you're making a noise?
Not really, but yeah.
But she's upset you enough for you to call into the radio.
I hope so.
Okay, but do you want to do a public announcement to be like,
Lady in 12A?
Yes, go for it.
No, don't say her name.
I had this neighbor that lives in my estate, and it seems like on Sundays the whole family brings the kids there. So then they want to have a afternoon nap, and then they send the kids across the street where I live to go and play ball and shout and scream, and sometimes the ball is in my yard, and then the kids just enter my house without knocking, walk through the house, go fetch the ball and just go out. So then I also later complained, and the body corporate sent them a letter, and then it stopped.
Guys, we live behind a church from about 7:15 every single morning until about 11:30. We have those amazing hymns blasted amazingly loud.
Amen, sister.
I was about to say, if you can't beat them, join them. Love the Lord your God with your heart.
No, look, if you bought a place next to a church, you got to know Sunday morning is stunning.
Oh my word! At the very, can you imagine a cathedral? The bell. Do you know what else could be making a noise in people's lives? Somebody who lives close to somebody who hosts band rehearsal.
Oh, yes. Yes. Kids have started a band.
Oh, music teacher.
Oh, yeah. Every day, piano. Ping, 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 ping.
The violin. Valentine, good morning. Welcome to Anele in the Club.
Good morning, Anele in the Club. It sounds so misleading that I've got so much energy on a Monday morning, because for the last 3 years, I've had a 940-year-old neighbor that all she ever does is wakes up at 3 a.m., holds up a walking stick, smashes it against the adjacent wall, because our bedroom walls, literally, they double walled, yes, but they're next to each other. And like, this woman travels, she's 94, she walks at the speed of like 0.3 kilometers a week. But at 3 o'clock in the morning, she runs from the bedroom window to the bathroom window, shouting, "I smell your drugs.
Okay.
I smell your drugs."
Okay, but can she smell someone's drugs? Is there somebody lighting it up there?
I've literally, it's been 3 years. I've been on a journey with this woman. It's just been wild. I've gone to everyone that could possibly be around her and walked with her at 3 kilometers a week. It's quite a patient one. We literally walked around, and I'm like, I can't smell this smell. And she's like, it's not a bad smell. I'm like, oh my God, but it's waking you up at 3 in the morning. I mean, it has to be bad.
Dude, I just think you have to put it on the WhatsApp group that somebody's got to share with her, because maybe then if she had a little bit of the drug, she wouldn't be awake at 3 in the morning.
Is it drugs or is it like a vape?
It's nothing. It's nothing, guys. It is nothing but fresh, clear, clean air.
Nature's
and
drugs.
It's all in her mind. It's been 3 years. I've gone to body corporate. I've gone to every trustee, every chairperson, every, whatever you call it, the rules, everything, to have this woman removed, to be rather put into a home.
You said she's 95 years old, eh?
Yeah, she's gonna be 95 this year.
You're gonna miss her when she's gone.
Are you having a party, Valentine?
That's called trauma. If I miss her when she's gone, it's trauma. 3 years I've been woken up at 3 in the morning, regardless regardless of anything.
I can smell your drugs, Valentine. I can smell your drugs. He's going to miss her when she passes away. I'm telling you now. He's going to be at a funeral going, I never thought I'd be here saying I missed that. Granny, I smell your drugs. Oren, good morning. Oren.
No.
Yes. Oh, there we go. Are you a lawyer?
There we go.
Hey, are you?
No. I wish I would have been rich if I was a lawyer.
No, they're not really.
Not really.
No. Okay, Oren, tell us. You say that it's not illegal to mow your lawn on a Sunday.
Well, it's not technically illegal. It's it's a municipal bylaw, so it's more of a civil offence than a criminal one. So it's up to the municipality if they have someone to enforce those type of things. We have the same issue next door to us with people that have claimed like squatters' rights, and now they're running a semi-watch Shabeen off there. So
I've always wanted to live next to a Shabeen.
No, friend.
It's not fun, eh? I can promise you it's not fun.
If you're sitting at home, it's not fun.
Say goodbye now. Back to making your morning.
Anele and the club.
I love this show. On 947.